Guys, today we did divisibility. Basically, divisibility is can you divide a number by another number without a remainder. So for any number to be divisible by 2, it has to be even. For 3, the first thing you do is add up the numbers in the problem and find out if that can be divided by 3. So here we have 33. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 can be divided by 3. So 33 works. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 can be divided by 3. So 3 works for 39. That's how, same thing here. So 102, 1 plus 0 plus 2 is 3. 3 can be divided by 3. 3 works. For 5, it simply ends in a 5 or a 0. Ends in a 0, works. Ends in a 0, it works. Ends in a 5, ends in a 5, ends in a 5 or 0. For 6, 2 and 3 must work. Why? Because 2 times 3 equals 6. So it must be even, and when you add them up, must be divisible by 3. 9 is similar to 3. You add up the digits. If the answer can be divided by 9, the number can be divided by 9. Like 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 can be divided by 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 can be divided by 9. 1 plus 3 plus 5 equals 9. So 9 can be divided by 9. And then 10, all it has to do is end in a 0, like all of those. And it'll be divided by 9, or divided by 10. So when we did this one, I had the students come up and they had to pick out which ones were divisible by 2, which are basically all your even numbers. Okay, all of those were divisible. Oh, not that one, sorry. Ellen. All of those were divisible by 2. Okay. And then we had, okay. Then we had the ones that were divisible by 3. And we had to add these up. What I mean by that is 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 cannot be divided by 3, so that doesn't work. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 can be divided by 3, so yes, that works. Okay, 3 plus 4 is 7, so that doesn't work. So when we do this, the only ones that work were 45, 18, 60, and 36. Okay. Then we did divided by 5. Well, for it to be divisible by 5, it has to end in a 5 or 0. So you have 45, 70, and 60. For 6 to work, the 2's and the 3's had to work. So it has to be even, and when added up, could be divided by 3. So we had 36, 18, and 60. Were the only ones that would be divided by 6. 9's, when you add them up, had to be able to be divisible by 9. So you had 18, because 1 plus 8 is 9, and that can be divided. And you had 45. Add them up, you get 9. 36. Add them up and get 9. So those work. And then we had 10. If it ends in 0, it can be divided by 10. That takes us to our homework. Our homework tonight was, remember, finishing off this worksheet, and you add in the section with 6. So we did the first 4 in class, and I told you the easy way to do it is to do the 2, 5s, and 10s first. 2, you look, is number 1 even? No, so you cross it out. Number 2, is it even? Yes, so you circle it. Number 3, is it even? No. Number 4, even? Yes. Then we can do our 5s. Does it end in 5 or 0? Yes. Number 2, does it end in 5 or 0? Yes. Number 3, yes, it ends in a 5 or 0. Number 4, no. Number 10, for column 10, does number 1 end in a 0? No. Number 2, yes, it does. Number 3, no. And number 4, no. Then for 3 and 9, we have to add them up. So I have 4 plus 0 is 4, plus 9 is 13, plus 5 is 18. I'm going to come back to that in a second. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 7 is 16. Oops. And I have 2 plus 6 is 8, plus 8 plus 5 is 21. Then I have 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 4 is 12. Now, can 3 go into 18? Yes. Can 9 go into 18? Yes. Can 3 go into 16? No. Can 9 go into 16? No. Can 3 go into 21? Yes. Can 9 go into 21? No. Can 3 go into 12? Yes. Can 9 go into 12? No. And then for 6 now, all you have to do for 6 is look at these two columns right here. If they're both circled, then 6 works. If they're not, then it doesn't. So for the first question, 6 does not work because 2 does not work. For number 2, 6 does not work because 3 does not work. For number 3, 6 does not work because 2 does not work. For number 4, they're both circled, so yes, it works. Now, if you're curious about the puzzle, all you do then is come over to the side and you write in the letters that have been circled. So over here I would put in the N-E-V. Then the second one I'd have the E-R-J. That kind of spells never, and then it starts with a J. And then you have the U-M. And then you have E-I. So if you look at the puzzle at the bottom, that would spell out never, jump, and then there's the next word. So that's how the homework works tonight. Good luck. See you in the morning.